So basically, this is for the Zoom. If you're using your Zoom app to join a meeting, and remember, it almost has the same interface with Google Meet, just that the key differences are is that this one has a more detailed view and everything. But usually, I prefer Google Meet to this though. This is where you can unmute yourself and talk if you want to. Remember, before you to be able to do all these things, you must have joined the meeting or you must be there in the meeting. So you can start a video, choose mirror my video, blur my background, choose a background. This one has more concise settings. The for the like the Zoom has more concise settings for video and audio modifications and stuff like that. You know. So participants as usual. This is where you're going to check your participants and where you can unmute them if maybe you did the general settings to mute them or stuff like that, so that to avoid background noise and stuff. So you after checking your participants, here is where you're also going to chat, send a message to everyone, or or choose particularly who you want to see the message. Understand? So this is where you're going to for your reactions. Raise a hand. You have your assuming someone said something funny, you wanted to react and stuff. This is your more. You have stop incoming video. You have return to default. You have settings, proper settings you like to use if you want. Um, always show meeting controls and stuff. Can check for here and modify it to your liking. Now this is where you're going to share your screen if you intend to. Now for this part, I'm going to just make a different video on this because it's more broad and is likely why most of you are watching this video. This is an overview of how to use Google Meet, how to use Zoom for your video calls and stuff like that. Then you can also add AI assistants, but that won't be on a separate video. You can add AI assistants as well to help with note taking in the meeting. If you feel like you need to take down notes, if you feel like you need to take down notes, multiple speaker view, hide self view, speaker view, hide non-video participants. So this is actually how you can set up how many people you want them to show on your screen. Assuming you guys are doing a general contribution video, you can actually set it maybe to this point, and everybody that is involved will particularly show here on their view. So we're using the speaker view, you know, we're using just the first one, the speaker view, to show only the speaker on your screen. You understand? So now I'm going to try to make this video as short as possible. So we're going to skip to the next one. On my next video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen properly with this. So yeah, let's get it done.